Hello and welcome everyone. We are Team 2. I am Subodh with my other friends Samir, Prajwal, Anmol, Shamanpreet and Sukhbir, and our presentation is on the greening of the purchasing department at Apple Incorporated. As environmental concern continues to rise, global companies are expected to act more sustainably. Apple has emerged as a leader by embedding environmental responsibility into its supply chain. By aligning green practices with innovation and profitability, Apple is proving that sustainability can also drive long-term business success. On the topic of environmental friendly purchasing practices, Apple applies strict environmental standards across its supply chain. Suppliers are required to control emissions, conserve water, and reduce waste backed by regular audits. The company also prioritizes recycled materials like 100% recycled cobalt in iPhone batteries and recycled aluminum in MacBooks. Through its clean energy program, over 300 suppliers in 28 countries now run on renewable electricity. Combined with digital procurement tools and low-emission logistics, Apple purchasing strategy sets a high standard for sustainability in the tech industry.
Hi, I'm Samir, and my topic is about reducing carbon footprint. Apple is actively working to reduce its carbon footprint across its global supply chain. Through its clean energy program, over 31 million megawatt hours of renewable energy were generated in 2024, alone bringing Apple closer to its goal of a fully clean power supply chain. The company also prioritized low emission logistics using sea and rail instead of air freight whenever possible. In just-in-time system reduce excess shipments and storage, helping minimize emissions. Additionally, Apple has embraced digital procurement tools, which limits the need for business travel and reduce Scope 3 emissions. The strategies show how Apple is cutting carbon while maintaining efficiency, setting a strong example for sustainable operations in tech industry. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'll be sharing how Apple turns sustainability into real cost savings through green purchasing. First, Apple helps its suppliers shift to renewable energy, which cuts long-term energy cost. In 2024 alone, this avoided over 21 million metric tons of carbon emission, reducing both environmental impact and compliance fees. Apple also focuses on material efficiency through smarter design and the use of recycled components. They reduce manufacturing waste and lower the overall cost of production. And finally, their commitment to water and waste management has saved more than 90 billion gallons of fresh water since 2013. While zero waste manufacturing helps avoid disposal costs and environmental penalties, all of this shows how Apple's green supply chain strategy delivers both environmental and financial value. Thank you.
Our accountability. It includes expand audits to low-tier suppliers, introduce incentive programs for sustainability leadership, provide training for SMEs in energy and waste efficiency. It purely means right now most audits focus on top-tier suppliers. By expanding these audits to low-tier suppliers, Apple can ensure the entire supply chain meet its environmental standards. They could also introduce incentives to reward suppliers who show sustainability, accountability, and provide training, especially to smaller companies, on how to improve energy use and waste management. Second is expand circular economy models. It includes scale up, take back, and trade in programs globally, investment in tech to extract usable components, experiment with reusable or compostable packaging system. It means Apple should expand its circular economy models. This means scaling up programs like product trade-ins and device takebacks, and investment in technology that helps recover not just material but also usable components. They can also explore innovative packaging such as reusable or compostable materials to reduce waste even further. Thank you.
Hi everyone, now let's talk about Apple's key sustainable highlights from 2022 to 2024. In 2024, Apple successfully avoided 21.8 million metric tons of carbon emissions through clean energy and efficiency initiatives. Additionally, the company now uses 100% recycled cobalt in all iPhones batteries, significantly reducing its reliance on mined material. Since 2013, Apple has saved over 90 billion gallons of water, demonstrating a strong commitment to resource conservation. Moreover, 300 suppliers in 28 countries have transitioned to using 100%. In terms of operational tools, Apple employs lifecycle costing models, real time digital dashboards to monitor environmental impact, and AI powered assembly robots to enhance material recovery and recycling. These achievements highlight Apple's ongoing efforts to integrate sustainability into both its product and supply chain operations.
To conclude, I would like to say that Apple stands out as a leader in green procurement by embedding environmental priorities throughout their supply chain. The company strikes a balance between reducing cost and lowering the carbon footprint, which is an challenging but essential task. Apple's success also comes from leveraging innovation, data, and design to promote sustainability. Key takeaways from Apple's approach include the use of clean energy, material recycling, and digital tools, all of which have been crucial in making their supply chain both effective, efficient, and eco-friendly. This model of green procurement not only benefits the planet but also drives profitability, showing that sustainability and business success can go hand in hand. Most importantly, Apple's framework serves as an global example that others can follow to enhance supply chain sustainability. Thank you.